Hi, good morning. So again, kakatas lang namin mag-church. Ano? IKEA na tayo. Yun, so mag-IKEA na lang kami. Dahil wala na kami maisip na puntahan. Gusto ko sana mag-Toronto Premium, kaya lang ngayon nag-i-snow, tsaka nag-uulan. Eh, outdoor yun. Kaya doon lang tayo sa IKEA para maiba naman. Kasi bihira na nga lang kami nakapunta doon dahil medyo malayo siya. Yun, so nandito na kami sa IKEA. Pero grabe, napakalakas naman ng hangin. Sobrang lakas ng hangin.
IKEA?
Yes, it's IKEA.
Yes.
Oh, do you know?
Because I saw the YouTuber. There's a game like you have to live in an IKEA.
You have to live
Yeah?
in IKEA.
There is?
Yeah, there's a game.
There's a game.
So look, it's the YouTuber.
Ano yan?
Oh, may balloon art today.
Balloon art?
Bingo. May bingo.
Sky.
And do you want to play the IKEA game? And do you want to play the IKEA game? I'm not gonna lie now. Thank
Ayan,
you.
dyan tayo sa loob.
And can we play the IKEA game? Base.
Kaya ayoko pumupunta rito eh.
Bakit?
Dahil parang gusto mong
Na-imagine ko na.
magkaroon ng sariling bahay. No? Ayun, titingin-tingin lang kasi kami dapat. Ayan, may nakita na naman siya na kailangan niya daw. Ano yan?
Kasi tayo walang grater.
Sky.
Kailangan mo yan?
Kailangan
Keep
namin
the
ni
couches
Sarah.
like that.
Ganda.
Ano yun?
It'll finish. So you know there's bandages.
Pero yung gusto niyang
in the
kitchen.
game and-
Ang ganda naman. Kaya naman tayong bahay.
Kaya nga, sabi ko lang maganda, di ba?
Yeah.
5 and 0.
Ganyan gusto ko yung medyo makintab na.
Yeah.
Na ano?
And it costs $50. Where is it? And it's in Pony China. I don't know.
The parrot there.
Ayan, pila na sila sa may balloon art.
What are we gonna get? He wants a parrot. Parrot, okay. What other color do you have?
I only have
Yellow, white, and blue. Yeah. Okay. Yellow, white, or blue?
White.
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 Okay,
Parrot.
white parrot.
only IKEA colors today.
I know.
That way you can have your jacket too.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, so nice. Thank you. You say thank you, love.
No problem. Hello. What are we gonna get?
Like? You want a sword?
You want a sword? What color sword?
Yellow.
What yellow sword? Okay, sounds good.
You know, I was wow.
That's the sound of it.
Yes.
Ano nangyari? What happened to your balloon? Wala na, pumutok na.
We have to go back and get one.
Yeah.
Dito tayo kakain? Kala ko sa Sherway. Pag nakakaramdam ka na ng gutom. Ayan, no? Nacho. Mga chicken balls.
Wow, Putin.
Bubusog ba tayo dyan? What?
Yeah.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Ito na ata yung food container.
Let's go down.
Kaya lang, although $8 lang siya, kaya lang plastic. Yung mga pinamili ni Madam,
Madam?
$43.
Oh, may ice cream.
Pwede mo ice cream dito?
Ay, oo. Gusto mo ba?
Ayaw.
Ganda lang.
Yung sa likod. Ayan, so tapos na kami dito sa IKEA. So konti lang naman yung pinamili namin. Kasi ito yung mga nabasag na. Like, bumili kami ng isang baso lang, tapos isang serving bowl. Tapos hindi ko pa alam. Yung mga maliliit lang naman na gusto ni Jamie bilhin. Binili mo ba yung ano? Grater? Hindi. Binili mo? So ngayon, punta na kami sa Sherway Garden. Kasi, yan, gutom na sila lahat. Yan, so nandito kami sa Sherway Gardens. Yun, si Sky tsaka si Jamie nasa harap na. Sinalakas ng hangin. Pero mamaya gusto raw niya pumunta dyan sa Starbucks. Kasi meron pa siyang GC. Do you feel cold? Huh?
No.
Let's go. Yan, so nandun na kami sa loob. Eh, sa gitna, hoppers.
The movie siguro. Yeah. March 6.
Ang daming tao ngayon dito. Gusto nila pumunta. Kahit gutom na.
Are you excited to go in? No? Why?
I want to. I am.
Are you sure? Hey, don't go in there. Hello everyone, come on in.
Right now we have to talk to them.
Wow, it's your first. Alright, welcome to my lab. Alright, so my name is Scientist Sam, okay?
Are you a scientist?
I am a scientist, and this is a recreation of my lab. So we're going to turn you into an animal. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, all you have to do is sit right there, get nice and comfy. Okay. And I'm going to put this above your head just like that. And all you have to do is watch that screen up there.
Okay.
And see what animal we're
Hey, you're not supposed to touch me.
Okay, go. Here we go. Let's see. A beaver. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you hopped into a beaver.
There you are. That's you. And let's see what else we have.
Don't do that. Come here. Sky, come here.
Okay. Enzo's turn.
You
Oh my goodness, a mouse. How cute.
The forest, where every animal gets to add a piece to my puzzle.
Wow.
Are you animals today?
Yes.
Which ones?
I'm a beaver and he's a mouse.
You're a mouse, not a dog.
You wanted to be a duck.
Where is that supposed to be?
Woo, you got it.
Too heavy.
I can help you. I can help you. Perfect.
Good job. So you have to guess the word. What is this?
Cow
What's that? What are you? You are a boy.
Yeah, I'm a boy.
Boy, okay. It's a cow.
Boy, cowboy.
Yeah, you got it. You're right. Okay, now the second one.
Butterfly.
No. Yeah. Butterfly. Yeah, you're right. No. Okay, you want to do this one?
Treehouse.
Oh, tree. Perfect. And last one. You got it, you guys. Thank you so much for all of your help.
That's not hard.
And this is your prize because you're a genius.
Is there something in here?
Yes, there's a prize and then this for you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for your help. Thank you.
Open, what it is? What is it? What did you get? Wow! What did you get?
Keychain.
Okay, I got a keychain. Can you show
I got
me?
the fuzzy bear.
I got a beaver.
Can I have it?
Okay. Sa kanya.
So, kain na kami. Enzo, what do you like?
Boba.
Yan, si Sarah order na.
I'll just.
Ano mo, una ka na.
I just want my headphones.
Saan mo sila orderan?
There's food in the
Baka dun ulit sa Chinese restaurant.
Ako dun din ako eh.
Ha?
Baka dun din ako.
O, dito na bumili for them.
Hindi,
Look
dun
what
ako sa...
I got.
St. Bourbon, your
Bourbon
favorite.
Street, yeah.
Ako.
Did you
Pagka
want
ano
to
ako,
say
magpupuli.
Joseph?
Sit down there. Sige na din niyo.
Ayan, naka-order na silang lahat. So ako naman, pero dito lang naman ako usually bumibili sa Bourbon Street here. The eggplant. Ito yung order ko. Ito kay Sarah. Sa Chipotle yan, ha? And then ito sa dalawang maliit. Is it hot?
Where's my meat?
Ano naman yan?
Hindi ako happy dun siya nag-serve sa
Ano, bakit?
Ang konti ng binigay niya. Tapos yung sumunod sa akin, ang dami nang nilagay. Unfair.
Lakas kumain yung Jamie, oh.
Gutom ako.
So, tapos na kami kumain. Tumingin lang kami sandali dito sa may Sporting Life. And then si Sarah, nagpaiwan dun sa H&M. Pero itong dalawang maliit, gusto bumili ng milk tea. Where are we going, Enzo?
Coco.
Where's that? Oh, that side. Don't know.
It's a face
Friends
shop.
sila.
You already know it.
Best friends kayo.
One makes the L, that's the left.
Ayan, so dito kami bibili sa Coco.
That's the left, this is the right.
Oh, Enzo, what do you want? Boba. Yan, haba ng pila. How about this guy? What do you want?
I want Oreo.
Oreo?
Yeah.
1 large pearl milk tea. And 1 large free guys. Then sugar would be regular, less ice.
I share with you.
The chair, you're sharing with Daddy.
Oh, you don't like your boba?
I want my.
I'm gonna drink this one, haha.
No, this is all mine. Let me share with you. Mine.
I'm just gonna taste.
Let me try. There we go.
Okay. Be careful because you did that. Try it. Why is your eyes doing that? So next time, you know what to order. I think that's better for you. Right? Yeah. Because
How is it, Sky?
grass jelly, it has boba, it has pudding.
Yun, papunta na kami sa Starbucks. Dahil hanggang 6 p.m. lang wala tong Sherway Gardens. Kasi nasanay kami doon sa Square 1 na hanggang 7 p.m. Pero si Sarah, sunod na lang daw dito sa Starbucks. Ah, bibili ka ba?
Yes. Pero si Sarah may gusto din kasi, di ba? Antayin na lang natin siya.
Sige. Enzo, let's go!
What's on your truck?
Ayan, so finally, uwi na kami.
I saw
Nakita na Cybertruck, akala ko ano na nangyari.
Cyber trucks.
Saan?
Okay.
Wala naman ah.
Ayun o.
Ang layo.
Cyber trucks.
Grabe to.
Let me show you.
Oh yeah. They can't see it, it's too far.
I could see it from here.
Akala ko ano nangyari na. Cybertruck.
Ano, uwian tayo ah?
Cyber truck.
Yan, so nandito na kami sa bahay. Actually, medyo maaga pa naman, pero inaantok na ako dahil si Jamie, medyo dinamay pa ako dun sa panonood niya ng series kagabi. Alas 12 na ng gabi, ayaw ko matulog. So, medyo busog pa naman kami lahat. Magdi-dinner ka pa ba?
Pag nagutom kayo, meron naman tayo.
Ito yung tira namin from last night. So, siguro, bigyan na lang namin kayo ng update sa mga nangyari sa amin this week. So, ano ba yung nangyari sa atin this week? More of yung yung sa mga letters lang, di ba? Kasi minessage nga namin yung landlord namin last week pa na may na-expect kami ng mga mails. Pero dumating lang siya mga around Tuesday na. And good thing, kasama dun sa mga mails na yon is yung study permit and work permit ni Sarah. Kaya finally, ayun, nakapag-apply na siya ng SIN and sabi namin sa kanya, pwede na rin siya mag-file ng tax para maging eligible siya for whatever government benefits yung pwede niya makuha. So next week, walang pasok yung mga bata the whole week.
This week.
Oo, ito. This upcoming week. So wala silang pasok for 1 week.
Yes.
And tinanong ako ni Sarah kanina kung ano ba raw. Kasi alam niya na nag-uubos lang ako ng ng vacation off. So hindi kasi ako papasok sa Thursday and Friday. And sabi niya na meron nga siyang kailangan asikasuhin sa school niya.
Wow.
Pero yun lang, may mga kailangan na bayaran.
Ano yun?
Ayun, sabi niya sa akin kanina na meron daw kailangan siyang fitting ng mga PPEs.
Oh,
So hindi ko alam kung ganun ba talaga yun.
Malamang. Actually, sinabihan nga ako ng kapatid ko before kasi 'di ba yung sister ko nursing. Tapos parang sinabihan niya ako kasi nagpatanong sa akin si Sarah, sabi niya sa akin kung pwede ko daw tanungin kung meron pa daw siyang stethoscope. Hindi ko anuhin. Tapos parang in-advise pa ng sister ko na etong brand ang bilhin mo, worth it siya, tsaka gagamitin naman daw ni Sarah for a long time.
Sabi niya kanina, parang mga araw 300 daw yung mga kailangan niyang bayaran. Kasi kung ano 300, di ka pa nagsisimula mag-aral mabayaran na tayo.
Oo nga.
Yan yun. Tapos sabi rin niya na parang requirement ata na kailangan 3 shots ng yung sa COVID.
Yeah, yun nga yung sinabi.
Nakadalawa lang siya. So tinatanong niya kung sa baro siya pwede magpa-shot. Sabi ko, i-google
Sa
na lang niya
shoppers.
dahil hindi ko rin alam kung saan eh.
Oo.
So kung alam nyo, please feel free na lang ilagay sa comment section.
If not, baka sa sa family doctor natin.
Could
If
be,
ever, no?
yeah.
Ayan.
Pero kami ni Jamie, siguro last minute na kami mag-file ng tax kasi like last year, nagpa-reassess pa kami dahil biglang all of a sudden si Jamie may na-receive pa na additional na tax form.
slip. Mm-mm.
Hindi, kasi last year meron kang T4E. Eh, ang familiar lang kasi ako, T4. Hindi ko alam may mga gano'n pala. T4E, may T4PS. So, parang ayaw na namin magpa-reassess. Kaya siguro, medyo last minute na lang kami magpa-file.
Ayun, something that we're looking forward to rin is yung upcoming birthday ni Enzo. Kasi it's
So, in 2 weeks,
Oo.
birthday na ni Enzo.
halos everyday nila tayo tinatanong
Oo.
kung ilang days na lang towards yung birthday celebration niya. Kaya yun.
So ako, 3 days lang ako papasok this week. Pero ngayon, medyo pagod na kami. Ayan,
Daya mo. Nagkakuran ba ako?
Yeah, so pahinga na kami. Kaya siguro hanggang dito na muna uli. So again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!